eHandy is a completely wireless, portable instrument that allows hardness measurements to be taken in points difficult to reach by conventional hardness testers. The wide range of bases and extensions allows to measure internal points, extremely small areas, and round surfaces, both internal and external, ensuring reliable and repeatable tests. Weld seams, heat-affected zones, and indolent gear profiles can now be measured in an accurate way. eHandy operates according to the patented ESATEST principle based on the measurement of residual electrical resistance and complies with DIN norm 50158. Equipped with a wireless tablet that allows data analysis and processing, as well as connection to the company network, eHandy now offers a cutting-edge technology that further enhances the established operating principle.